I'm cutting across to Rajiv Chandrasekhar of the BJP speaking on sexual harassment charges made by a Congress neta in Kerala.
Which has a huge, long list, dubious record of harassment complaints that are on record from various members of the Congress, women members of the Congress. He does nothing. Instead, he tries to silence them. There is much more to be said on this, but I wanted to draw your attention to this double standard, this hypocrisy, this saying one thing before elections and doing exactly the opposite after the election. This is the truth. This is the truth about the Congress, and the people of India deserve to know it. The people of Kerala should know that the India Alliance partners, whether it is the CPM or the Congress, both of them have a track record of not protecting women, not upholding the dignity of women in their workplaces, and instead supporting those who exploit and harass them. Thank you.
Any question? Mohit, but time's now.
Sir, the question that you have raised, and then Simi came out and she spoke about this, she's been shunted out. And as you rightly said, there has not been a comment coming in from Rahul Gandhi and Priyanka Gandhi Vadra. And when it comes to the other India Alliance parties too, they have not said anything on this particular issue. As soon as she raised her voice, as soon as she talked about the casting couch in Congress, from Bollywood it has come to Congress party, she has been shunted out, and the other India Alliance partners are completely silent on this.
No, there is a pattern here, and I don't need to tell you this. You know it. You are all very wise people. When the horrible incident happened, the rape and the attempted cover-up in Kolkata happened, the Congress party was silent. When the rape in Kannauj happened, the Congress party is silent. When the CPM, the Hema committee report came out, initially the Congress was silent, then belatedly when they saw the outrage of the people, they joined in. When this lady, Simi Rosabelle, raises an issue, the same two leaders who otherwise wax eloquent about ladki hoon, lad sakti hoon, they maintain a silence. Not only do they maintain a silence, they dismiss her without even going into the basic justice of investigating her complaint. And if it was any other organization today, I would argue respectfully with you that you would all not leave that organization alone. If any organization where a woman came and complained of sexual harassment did not investigate that complaint and simply terminated that lady, you would not leave that organization alone.
इसके लिए अलग से हम लोग बैठेंगे।
आप विपक्षी पार्टियों पे आरोप लगा रहे हैं क्योंकि करनी और करने में अंतर है, लेकिन विपक्षी पार्टियां भी आप पे आरोप लगा रही हैं कि अमानतुल्लाह की जिससे गिरफ्तारी हुई है, उनका साफ तौर पे कहना है कि सरकार जो है उत्पीड़न कर रही है विपक्षी पार्टियों।
देखिए, मैं ये इश्यू पहले भी मुझसे इस व्यक्ति के बारे में नहीं लेकिन पूछा गया है, और मैं साफ तौर पे ये कहना चाहता हूं कि आज इस देश में कानून से कोई नहीं बच सकता. The law of the land will catch up with whoever you are, however big or small you are, if you have committed a crime. That is New India. That is the India today that we live in.
आनंद पांडे.
नहीं, देखिए, इसमें मैं ज्यादा रिस्पॉन्ड नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि मैंने आज पढ़ा है कि इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ब्रॉडकास्टिंग मिनिस्ट्री ने उनको समन किया है, लेकिन हम सब जानते हैं कि हाईजैकर्स आईएसआई के पाकिस्तानी थे. इसमें किसी में शक नहीं होना चाहिए. दैट इज द ट्रूथ. उन्होंने क्यों किया, क्या किया, वो आईएनबी मिनिस्ट्री जांच करेंगे और वो रिपोर्ट देंगे.